Hi guys, welcome to this session in Microsoft Excel. In this module I want to show you how to use the new take function. So what I've got on the screen is some sales figures by month. Now I'm going to just copy the labels across and just stick them over here using my control key to copy, and then I want to use the take function, which is a new function, to take the last three items in this list. So this is the take functions like the old offset function with the COUNTA function, which in older versions of Excel you would still need to use. This is Office 365, the newer version. So it's just going to be equals take. When you open the bracket on that, it asks you for the array. So the array is this area here, and then number of rows. Now I can either do a plus or a minus. I want the last three in this list, so I'll just go -3, and then that will drop that in there. If I tick that, it gives you that. And I'll just format these columns to date and money, so we get the money in there. So that's a great little feature there, the take function. It's an array formula, so it just drops it down. You can see it grayed out there, so that's where you need to edit it if you do need to edit it. If I change that -3 to a plus, or just 3 actually, and then tick that, it will do from the first 3 of this list. So minus does the last 3, this does the first 3. So that's a great feature. Now the COUNTA function and the offset function would always give you the last 3 items of a list. Let's see what happens here. If I extend this list, so pull that down a few more months just to give me some figures. You see this hasn't actually picked that up. I would have to run this again. It's still saying January 23. Now if I just pull these back, delete those off, what you can do is you can format this as a table, and then it will automatically pick up the last 3. Before I do that though, let's just create a little chart on this. If I go insert, just get myself a little column chart, sales, like so. So you can see the graph there. Now if I format this as a table, which you get from the home tab, format as table, just pick any of these styles. It says, as your table got headers? Yes, click OK to that. So now this is now formatted as a table. So if you look at these dates, so it's got the 11th, 12th and the 1st 2023, which is the last 3. Now before, when I pulled this down, it didn't do anything, but if I pull this down now, it's going to change it straight away. Look, last 3, the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, pull it down a bit more, last 3, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, and the graph is obviously picking up that change. So the take function, when you use it with a formatted table, achieves the same result as the offset and the COUNTA function would have done in older versions of Excel. So this is a new function, the take function. Hopefully this little video has been of use for you. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.